Kumusta po ang lahat? Oh, ang labo. Hindi ko alam saan bang maliwanag ito. Ayan. Sige siya na yan. Paalis kami ngayon guys. Kasi sa Monday is Memorial Day. So, holiday. So, we decided to go to North Conway. Actually, yearly, nagpupunta talaga kami ng North Conway sa New Hampshire. So, dadalhin namin si baby ngayon. Siya ang kasama namin ngayon. Last 2 years, dalawa lang kami. Last year actually, kasama namin si baby kaso nasa tiyan ko pa. Pero ngayon kasama ko na siya. Kasama na namin siya. So, ayun, mas happy, although baby pa, hindi pa niya ganong ma-enjoy. Pero syempre, as a parents, ma-enjoy namin na kasama namin siya, di ba? So, ayun guys, kita-kits sa New Hampshire mamaya. Marami kaming gagawin. Mostly walking kasi nakatingin siya sa akin. Nagtataka siya bakit nagsasalita ako mag-isa. So, ayun. Titignan natin kung ano yung mga dapat gawin sa New Hampshire sa North Conway. Sana marami kaming magawa kasi may bata nga, di ba? So, ang dami naming dadalhin gamit. Friday ngayon, Saturday, Sunday, Monday balik namin dito. So, 4 days kami doon and 3 nights. Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Yes, 3 nights kami. So, yun. See you. Can you say hi to them? Can you say hi to them? Oh, look at your outfit. Look. Wow. Oh, look at mommy's outfit. Oh, my bilbil. Wow. Bye-bye. Guys, paalis na kami. Ayan, ang dami namin dala. Yan. Isang bag. Sa likod punong-puno. Ayan yung mga dala namin. Ayan. Ang dami kong dala. Say hello to them. Hello. Can you say hi to them? You're so happy. You know that you're going to a vacation. Short vacation. Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy? Huh? Look at your outfit. I love it. I love your outfit. Where's your sunglass? Huh? It's so beautiful. Look at that.
I'm glad we're going because I don't think we would have done a whole lot this weekend. Maybe I don't know.
Naglalaro yung bata. Namiss ko mag-vlog ng mahaba. Traffic na naman, ha? Hi. Hello.
Yeah, it wouldn't be Massachusetts without a nice accident on Memorial Day weekend. Here we go.
Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you going somewhere? Are you going to North Conway? Are you ticklish? 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 Oh yes, what do you want to say to mommy? Oh, you want to say something to mommy? Hey, say hi, say
my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine.
Dito na kami sa North Conway, guys. So, ayan. Ayan, North Conway.
Since it's open late.
We're here, guys. Dito kami. Golden Gables. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? We are here now in North Conway. Ay, are you happy? Are you happy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Ah. Oh, look, where's your shoes? Where did you put your shoes? Ah. You're so happy. You're a happy baby. So guys, dito na kami sa hotel na pag-i-stayan namin. Dito na kami sa North Conway, Golden Gables. Ayan na si baby, nagising, kakagising lang niya. Nakatulog siya ng ilang beses, 3 beses habang nasa biyahe. Umiiyak lang siya kapag hindi siya kinakausap. Hey, who's that? Who's that? So, let's check in now.
This is the...
We are here now! Yay! We are here now in our room. We're going to stay here for 3 nights. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, 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 yes. Meaning yes.
I haven't been able to see her in 3 hours.
Yeah. Who is that cutie pie? Who is that cutie pie? Hello. Oh, my hair is so long. Gugutom na ako. Hindi pa ako kumain. Ito pala yung aming room, guys, for 3 nights. Ayan ang aming bathroom. My, what did you call this? Ooh. These are bathtub. Oh, she's so excited. She's so excited. Yep. Ganda siya. Mas malaki nga lang yung last year namin. Mas maluwang yung last year na nakuha naming room. Ngayon medyo, hindi naman siya masigip, pero okay na siya. Malaki rin. Ayan ang bassinet ni baby girl. Thank you, Daddy. Ay, I'm so happy. Meron siyang deck dito, guys. So, kapag inopen mo to from the door, and then, nasa ano siya. Ito natin. Ayan. Ayan siya ang deck. Ayan ang deck niya. Lalabas kami mamaya dyan. Palitan ko lang si baby. Nagpupop siya. Oh, bago sa paningin niya. Oh, kagigising niya, tinitsura. Uy, sexy ng dalaga ko. Yes.
You're in another state, you know. So
Hello.
So you can say that you've been in 2 states and you're only 5 months old.
Yeah.
You've been in Massachusetts and now you've been in New Hampshire. That's 1, 2. So you only have 48 states to go.
So what next? What next? What state?
Maybe Maine.
Maine, yeah, Maine.
Yeah,
Oh
we're
my
gonna go
gosh.
to Freiburg, and that way you'll have 3 states under your belt. And you
Yeah.
only have 47 to go.
I would love to go there.
All right, Mommy's
Man.
gonna change you. I smell
Yeah.
poop.
Yep. Poop, 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 poop. Poop, 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 poop.
Oh, now you're happy.
Look at your hair. It's so messy. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Who's that? Who's that? Hey, is that you? Is that you? Hello guys, kain na. Bago kami nakarating dito, may nadaanan kami, dinaanan namin yung favorite restaurant ko rito, yung family restaurant. So, umorder kami ng fried rice, seafood fried rice. Then bumili si Mr. ng chicken na parang hindi ko maintindihan, sunog yata. So ayun, si Mr. umalis saglit, nagpunta siya ng favorite restaurant din niya, bibili daw siya ng sushi at saka salmon yata. Sabi ko nagugutom na ako, hindi ko na kaya kasi hindi pa ako nag lunch, tinapay lang ako kanina at saka gatas. And then, nagmerienda ako sa sasakyan ng tinapay ulit. So, ayun, gutom na ako ng kanin. Late na dito. So, kakain muna ako. Si baby, kakadede lang niya. Ayun. Kain na tayo, guys. So, ang pagkain ko, hindi ko siya mabitawan ng sigaw ng sigaw, kaingay niya. Nakakaya sa mga ibang Ayan, seafood fried rice. Rice, eggs, shrimp, crab, ano pa to? Anong tawag dito? Yung kulay puti na na basta iba-ibang klase ng seafoods. So guys, hihilamusan ko muna siya katatapos ko kumain. Ayan. Hihilamusan ko muna siya, then maghihilamos din ako. Ayan puro siya laway Kinakain niya na, kinakain niya ng buhok ko. Ayan siya. Dungis-dungis niya. Look at you. Oh, you're so messy. Look at you. I need to wash you. I need to clean you and change you. Can you say hi to them? Clap your feet. Clap your feet. Clap your feet. What's that? Are you watching? What is that? Just colored apple. Aray ko. Ay, Diyos me, Marimar 5 months ka pa lang yan. Paano ba pag 6 months, 7 months, 8 months? Para kang senyora